वश्वः तस्य वितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शुचिर्दक्ष उदासीनो गतव्यथ। दोबारा बोलो, गतव्यथ। सर्वारंभ परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। You know, I want to tell you one more. Are you friends? Yes. So same thing, we all want to be dear to God. So now God is explaining who can be dear to me. Anapeksha means those who are not having any expectation from anyone. Do you expect something from your dad? No. I don't think so. If he makes a program to take you for movie or and you say no, we are not doing it, then you will know. Oh, you said you are going to go theme park with me. Now you are not going. You have expectation all the time. If he doesn't give you phone or laptop or whatever or anything, oh, we all have expectations, na? From mom, from dad, from teachers, from friends. If you go to your friend's house and if it's birthday, you give them gift. But when they come to your house and they don't bring gifts, how will you feel? And it's not enough fine, I know that. It's not that easy to be fine. If your mom gives things to your brother and not to you, then I will see what will happen. Unfair. You see? Unfair. So it is expectation which makes us that, oh, this is unfair, this is fair, this is good, this is bad. Because we are expecting already something. But Lord Krishna is saying, I am the most supreme. Don't expect anything from anyone. Expect from me. Mere se expect karo. But we are expecting from other people. And he is saying, Shuchir. So you should be clean. Shuchi, inside and outside. What is the meaning of inside and outside clean?
From outside you should be clean by taking baths.
And then inside?
You should.
If you are inside clean, you know there is a one signal you can tell this person is inside clean or not. How you can tell?
Like if he's like saying bad words, that means he's like not clean from the body. Like
No, it's a physical body. You take bath. But if the person is not clean inside, how you will tell? Very simple. Tell me. How you will tell?
Eating bad food.
Yeah, that can also be a reason. But very, very quickly we can know the person is not good inside or bad.
Face expression.
Face expression, very subtle.
If they judge you.
Even if they judge you, they will not tell you, isn't it? We all are very near. Just बड़े लोग बता दो. How you will tell the person inside is clean or not?
It's behaving.
Pure or not?
It's behave.
The vibes.
Vibes behave.
बड़ी subtle चीजें हैं.
We can't.
When they start speaking, you know?
उसमें manipulation हो जाता.
नहीं. When you say something, it will tell where you stand. If I say, okay beta, please stand, somebody needs that space more than you, please can you come here? So it means the person is clean. You say, खड़ी हो जा, पीछे चल, इसने आना है. When you speak and the words you use, the tone you use, तभी कहते हैं ना मुंह खोल दिया हे भगवान. When you speak, even if you are angry, you can choose words which will not hurt but only tell the problem. But some people, when they start speaking, they start like piercing the heart, and that's not a good thing. Then it tells you are clean or not. So Shuchir Daksha, after Shuchi, you will become Daksh, you will become perfect. The best perfection in the world is not the work or action, is the language. Those who are earning a lot, it's not they are doing something themselves. Even Snarl can tell that. They are using words. Business deals and big deals are done by words. Even if you go to some shopkeeper, they are rude to you. Even if they are charging you less, you never go there. Even if some shopkeepers, they charge you little bit, but they are very good in talking to you, you never mind. So they become perfect. Daksh means perfection. Comes from Shuchi, cleanliness. And Udasin, you must be indifferent to the Gatavyatha, means all the worldly possessions. Like I told last time as well, that if she is having something and his brother is very small to compare, then both of you are good. If he is having something and she wants that and he is not giving to her to use, so it is called he is very attached. But if he gives her, so it means it's a Gatavyatha, means he is indifferent, that anybody can use it. So that's what called Gatavyatha. So Udasino Gatavyatha means the person should be indifferent. Sarvarambha Parityagi means you are not always starting something. Sarvarambha, or start something. You know? You always want something this, you always want something this. You always start shopping when you don't need it. You always start fighting when you don't need it. You always start conversation when you don't need it. Everybody can sit quietly. Not on the phone. On the phone you are never quiet. You know, before that we were having one room and all the children of the house like 16, 17 sitting quietly, either playing or sitting quietly reading. But nowadays everybody is on phone, nobody is talking. That is not quiet because your brain is working. Quietly means quietly. Sarvarambha Parityagi, you are not starting anything, sitting quietly. If you can sit quietly 10 minutes without doing anything, you are a master. If you increase that time, you will become pro. You will become excellent. Your grandmaster. Sitting quietly is the biggest achievement in the life. I know mans mostly have that. They don't do anything and just sit quietly. But it's hard for girls to do this. But Sarvarambha Parityagi is a good thing. Lord is saying, that kind of my devotee, I like it. They are very dear to me.